Hi, my name is William French. I am part of the schedule method for Coats for the Homeless. This service for the sheds of the coats is a 24 hours with the local business and volunteers to monitor it and clean the area daily. As the area gets full, then donations can be taken to the shelter. Working with homeless alliances and local community will help monitor and maintain the sheds. The sheds are 24 hours. They're available for people. We know that the seasons change. In Oklahoma, we get 4 seasons. You have fall, winter, spring, and summer. These 4 seasons will affect the types of coats we'll have. We wouldn't want them to wear heavy coats in the summertime. They might want thinner coats, just maybe windbreakers. And then we have the rainy season. They might need their raincoats. The schedule method is here to keep place that there's always a coat for the homeless. In any type of weather it is, we are here to help.